So good morning. Yesterday we discussed about a lot of properties of combination. What are the properties? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Similarly, NC r into r factorial is equal to what? NPR. Next one is NCP is equal to NCQ implies P is equal to Q or P plus Q is equal to N. And another is what? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to what? N plus 1 CR. All these properties. Now we will solve some more problems. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. How many ways can this be done? How many ways can this be done? 3 persons to be considered from a group of 2 men and 3 women. 2 men and 3 women means 2 plus 3, 5. From 5 people, we have to select 3 people. How many ways selection? That means 5C3. This is 5C3. 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Answer is 10. Now, if 1 man and 2 women is there, means what? From 2 men, you have to take 1 man. So, what is the portion? 2C1 into, and from 3 women, 2 women. So, 3C2. So, 2C1 into 3C2. 2C1 into 3C2 is, what is answer? Two C1 into 3C2 is 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So, this is answer 6. Now, what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? In how many of these 4 cards are of same suit? So, same suit means what is the meaning? There will be, so 52 cards are there, 4 cards we have to take it. So, total number of ways is what? 52 C4. From 52 cards, 4 cards can be taken in the way 52 C4. So, 52 C4 is there. There are 4 suits. That means 4 group: diamond, club, spade, and heart. And 13 cards of each. So it may be this 4 cards may be from either from diamond or from heart or from club or from spade. So this is 4 into 13 C4. This is answer. Now our face card. All are face card. All are face card. And how many face card are there? There are 12 face cards. So 12 face cards means from 12 cards, we have to take 4 cards. How many ways? 12 C4 ways. Next. What is next one? What is the next question? 2 red cards and 2 black cards. 2 red cards and 2 black cards. So 2 red cards means from 20, there are 26 cards, 26 red cards. 2 red cards can be 26 C2. From 26 black cards, you have to take 26 black cards, so 26 C2. So 26 C2 into 26 C2. This is the answer. Now, 4 red cards can be selected out of 26 cards. 26 red cards in 20. So same suit. Same suit means either 4 cards may be black or either 4 cards may be red. So it is what? 26 C4 plus 26 C4 or 2 into 26 C4. This is the answer. Okay. Now, how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? How many chords can be drawn? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points in a circle? In a circle, what is chord? Chord is the line joining one point to another point. That is called what? A chord. So how many are there? So 21 C2. So there are total number of how many ways are there? 21 C2. So the code is what? Code first question number 3. There are 21 points are there. 20, you have to join. So 2 at a time. So 21 C2. 21 C2 means 21 by 21 into 20 by 1 into 2. Like yesterday I told. So it is 210. Okay. Now, in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? From 3 boys and 3 girls. From 5 boys and 4 girls. So from 5 boys, 3 girls can 5 boys, 3 boys can be selected in 5C3. And 4 girls, 3 girls can be selected in the form 4C3. 5C3 into 4C3. But you know, 4C3 is 4C, you know, 4C3 is what? 4C, 4 minus 3. That is 4C1 because you apply the formula NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So 5C3 into 4C1. That is 5C3 into 4C1. 5C3 into 4C1 is 40. Answer. Question number 5. For the number of ways of selecting 9 red balls, 5 white balls, and 5 blue balls, if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So we want total 9 balls. So from 6 red balls, 3 red balls can be selected in the 6C3 ways. From 5 white balls, 3 white balls can be selected in the form 5C3 ways. And 5 blue balls, 3 balls can be selected in the form 5C3 ways. So totally 6C3 into 5C3 into so what is answer? Answer is 20 into 10 into 10. So answer is 2000 ways. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if there is determine the number of 5 card combination out of deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each. One ace in each. So you know there are 52 cards, 4 are ace and 42 other cards are there. So we want 40. There is one ace. So 4 ace are there. From 4 ace, 1 ace can be selected in the way 4C1. Remaining how many cards? Remaining 4, total 5 cards are there. 1 card should be ace. Remaining 4 cards should be non-ace. So it should be done in the way 48C4. 4C1 into 48C4. So 4C1 is 4. 48C1 is 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So the answer is 7, 7, 8, 3, 2, 0. This is the answer. Now, in how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players? In which only 5 players can bowl. If each cricket team 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Exactly 4 bowlers means total 5 players are there for bowling. So bowlers can be selected in the way 5C4. Bowlers can be selected in the way 5C4. Remaining out of 11, 5 is selected, 4 is selected. Now, remaining 7 are there. Total 17 players. Already 5 is we considered. Remaining how many players are there? From 17, 5 players is bowlers. That is removed. From remaining 12 players, we have to select how many? 7 players. So 5C4 into 12C7. 5C4 into 12C7. 5C4 into 12C7. But what is 12C7? 12C7 is what? 12C5 because NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So 5 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So answer is 3960. Next, a bag contains 5 black and red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls be selected. A bag contain a bag contains 5 black and red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black balls and 3 red balls can be selected. So if from 5 black balls, 2 black balls can be selected in the way 5C2. From 6 red balls, 3 red balls can be selected in the way 6C3. So 5C2 into 6C3. What is 5C2 into 6C3? 5C2 into 6C3. Answer is 200. Now, in how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory? So total 9 courses are there, 2 are compulsory. So remaining, how many courses are remain? 7. From 7, he wants 5 courses is there total, but 2 is compulsory, means remaining how many courses should be selected? 3 courses. So this is compulsory. So we have he should select 3 courses from 7 courses. So 7C3 base. 7C3 means 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3. So answer is what? 35. This is the answer.